This is my breakfast salad. And of course, I love the tomato. And I just actually toasted some bun right there with some cheese. There you go. Yan ang aking breakfast. Ang sarap ng tomato. Nagmumurang tomatoes. Tomatoes. Tapos, ito yung ilalagay ko sa aking salad. Spinach and artichoke dip. Tapos, may cheese dip. Ingay nyo. Kain mo ng mami nyo. Breakfast! Labas ko na lang mga to. And of course, nilagyan ko ng sliced ham ang aking bread. Tapos pinatungan ko, instead of mozzarella, yung melted mozzarella, pinatungan ko pa ng cheddar cheese, unmelted, and then on top, yun, slices of ham. And of course, with my spinach and artichoke dip and cheese dip. Yan ang aking ilalagay sa aking sandwich. Yes. Napakasarap naman, eh? And pinagsama ko na yung artichoke, spinach dip, and cheese dip. Ayun, sarap. And of course, I had to put some ranch dressing with my salad. And I'm going to blend that as well. Yan ang aking finale. Instead of dessert, yan na lang maging dessert ko. I'm gonna blend that. So, I'm gonna end up with a very healthy drink.